We've got a situation involving a first-time home buyer. That's the subject of today's edition of The Law and You. As always, attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli are here to talk about it. Guys, good to see you today.
Thanks for having us.
All right, let's get to this question from Matt in Scranton. He says, I just bought my first house. Do I need a lawyer? And if so, should he get legal representation in this situation?
Well, the answer is yes. It helps in any real estate transaction because you're dealing with a legal matter. You're purchasing a home, and it's probably the biggest transaction you've ever entered into your life. So it's very important for you to make sure that the person who's helping you with that transaction knows what they're doing. Now, some people can get by using a title agent, and there's some very fine title agents, but you're asking if you want a lawyer, so your first instinct is you want one. So I would recommend that you get one, you meet one that you like, one that you trust, and you're happy with his advice, and I'm sure he'll be able to guide you through that transaction smoothly.
Yeah, and you know, this is ultimately going to be a contract. You know, you're going to have a sales agreement. You're going to have a sales agreement with the seller, and there's certain things that the seller needs to do, disclosures that they have to make. And if you have a lawyer who's involved in the process and they know what they're doing with regard to real estate transactions, they're going to be able to walk you through that. So, you know, do you need a lawyer? It's really helpful, and it's good to have one, especially, you know, this is the first time you're buying a home. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, but if it doesn't, now you already have a lawyer who's involved in the process, and you're not going to be reinventing the wheel trying to get your deposit back and things of that nature. So it's good to, it's a sound investment to make having a lawyer walk you through the process of buying your first home.
All right, attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli are here to help you out if you need. How can they get in touch with you, our viewers?
They can call us on the phone at 714-HURT, or they can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you like us on our Facebook page, if you have a question for The Law and You can put it on there, and we'll do our best to answer it at the next segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli, who serve all of northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Gentlemen, thanks so much. We'll see you again the next time.
Thanks for having us.
And you can get your question right here on the show by visiting PAHomepage.com.